Hey people, today is Tuesday and hopefully you're having a great start of your day. Well, I want to remind you of this, and this word was given to me this morning. God will never forget the day of your redemption. What he has promised you, he will deliver. Even the things that you really don't think that you have a promise in that area, okay? So I was reminded by the Lord about King David, how he, of course, he committed adultery and his son with Bathsheba, his first son, died because of that sin. David was a man after God's own heart. He repented, he fasted while the child was sick, but the child died, okay? And he got up, he said, the child is dead, there's no need to fast anymore. But as a reminder, we know that Jesus was called the Son of David, right? And Jesus was born in Bethlehem, just like David. Jesus came as no reputation. And David, out of all of his father's sons, was not even chosen. When the prophet said, bring all your sons, his father didn't even think of him. But he was the one that was chosen. And he was, not even a big stature. Jesus was the son of David because he came from the lineage of David. So even though the Lord did not allow David's son to live, Jesus was the son of David. So God still replaced, in a way, and this was the revelation that was given to me, his son. Spiritually, yes, but he still received a son, okay? And you too, even the things that you don't even think God is going to restore, even the things you don't think that is necessary, the promises that he has for you, he's going to deliver to you. So you need to understand God, I don't care how many years it takes, God never leaves his children unredeemed. And even the areas that you've repented in and you think, okay, I lost this because of whatever happened, whatever I did, God is going to redeem you in such a way where, the thing that you did or the thing that was done to you is of no recollection, no great cost, because he is going to turn your ashes into beauty. So I want to give you that word. Always be on the lookout for the redemption of the Lord, because he never forgets his children.